you can't apply a concealer and not set it. So if you buy this, make sure you also have this. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. If you are coming back, and if you are new here, please make sure you do subscribe so that you can become part of the family. I was thinking of a name, guys. I think now we are allowed to have a name because the family is growing, darling. So I was thinking maybe we should call ourselves the Double A Gang or the Double A Squad. I'm not sure, but please do let me know in the comment section of which one do you like. Should we call ourselves the Double A Gang or the Double A Squad? Yeah guys, if you are not yet subscribed, please make sure you do subscribe so that we can hit that 1K. I am so excited and I am so grateful to you guys. I really appreciate your support. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys the products that you need as a beginner, like the whole kit that you need as a beginner in makeup. So yeah, if you're a beginner and you'd like to know what you need to buy before you start practicing your makeup, please keep on watching, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section down below and share, and you know, yonke lando right. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get straight into the video. Right, so I put all the products in this cute handbag. If you'd like to know where I got this handbag from, please make sure you do check my last clothing haul. All the information is there. So yeah, I put all the basic products here. Let's start. So the first product that you need is a primer. A primer, it helps to prepare for your foundation. So you apply this before you apply your foundation. And the different kinds of primers, there's one for normal or dry skin, and then there's other primers for oily skin. Yeah, for oily skin. So if you have oily skin, you need to get a mattifying primer. This is the Wet n Wild matte face primer, and this is also from Wet n Wild. Wow, Wet n Wild, do the things, darling, sponsor me. This is the rose primer. So this is for people with normal skin or dry skin, because it gives you a more dewy look, and this gives you a matte look. So, and the next product that you need to buy is a foundation. So when you buy a foundation, just make sure that you buy one that is gonna match your skin tone. It must not be too light for your skin tone or too dark for your skin tone, because you're just gonna look like a ghost, my darling. So the whole purpose of foundation is to give your face an even skin tone. So if you have a lot of dark marks and you don't want to show that, or you have some pigmentation on your skin, like maybe here it's dark and here it's lighter, you know, foundation helps to cover all those flaws. And yeah, if you have like beautiful skin, like you don't have any spots, you don't have any pigmentation on your face, then you don't really need a foundation. Like, it's not a need as a beginner. You can just use concealer to do your face and you'll be good to go. And then for your eyebrows, the next product that you need is an eyebrow pencil. And if you're a beginner, I beg you, just buy a brown eyebrow pencil. Don't use black, or else it will end in tears. I promise you that. Don't use a black eyebrow pencil. Buy a brown one if you're a beginner. And then to highlight your face, you need a concealer. A concealer, it needs to be one shade or two shades lighter than your skin tone or lighter than your foundation to highlight your face. And if you buy a concealer, make sure you also have a powder. You can't apply a concealer and not set it. So if you buy this, make sure you also have this as well, because it will just look horrible and it will just crease and become a mess if you don't set your concealer. So yeah, as I said, this must be one shade or two shades lighter than your foundation. And then you also get a powder. I'd suggest that if you're a beginner, you get a translucent powder so that ungazosokola. And you don't really need these products, like you don't really need this step as a beginner. But okay, if you are a beginner that went to private school you can buy them, but you don't really need them. I remember when I was a beginner, I used to just apply my foundation and do my eyebrows and do my eyeshadow if I do, and then I'd be good to go. So this step is not really necessary, but if you want to, then you can. And then if you do highlight your face, like if you do use the products that I previously mentioned, which is the concealer to highlight your face and a powder, then you're definitely gonna need to buy a contour, because a contour, it gives dimension to your face. You'll notice that after you've applied your your concealer and powder, your face just looks flat. So this helps to give your face more dimension. And yeah, if you buy those, then you also need this one too. Then the next product that you need is an eyeliner. So there's an eyeliner and there's an eyebrow pencil. So the difference between the two is that the eyeliner is like more creamy, so that it's easy to apply on your waterline. And then the eyebrow pencil is not that creamy, because funeka ihlale kwe eyebrows, you know. So you need this, you need which one? So you need a eyeliner to put on your waterline so that your eyes may look more awake than usual. And then you also need a mascara, because when you're a beginner, most you don't know how to apply your lashes, upope like me. So you'll need to apply your mascara to your natural eyelashes. So yeah, you also need this. And then you need a highlighter or a bronzer. Either you buy a highlighter or a bronzer. This is a bit more shiny, not a bit, this is a lot more shiny on your skin than a bronzer. A bronzer gives you a more natural glow, you know. Extra that way. And then the last product that you need is a setting spray to set everything on your face. And yeah, I use this Rimmel London Instafix and Go. If you're a regular on my channel, you already know that by now. The reason I love this setting spray is because it acts as a setting spray and it also acts as a primer. So it's a two-in-one product. You can either use it as a primer or you can either use it as a setting spray. So yeah, it's up to you. I really love it. And then when it comes to equipment, you don't need a lot of brushes if you're a beginner, or else you're just gonna confuse yourself. You see these 4 brushes, these 3 brushes and a blender are enough, or 2 brushes and a blender. You use your blender to apply your foundation and your concealers, or if you don't want to use a blender, you can use a brush for your foundations and your concealers, because especially if you have like really bad skin, or you just want more coverage from your foundation, then you'll want to use a brush because it gives you more coverage than a beauty blender. And then you need this other brush to dust off your powder after setting your concealer, like I said. And then you need this other one brush for your eyebrows when you apply concealer on your eyebrows. And that's all, like equipment. You don't need a lot. And yeah, you can also use the same brush, the same one that you used to brush off your powder to apply your highlighter or your bronzer, and then you are good to go. And then the last product that you can buy, which is really not a need, you don't really need to buy an eyeshadow palette, but yeah, if you want to, just make sure that you get an eyeshadow palette that has like your nude colors, your bright colors, your shimmery colors, just a palette that is inclusive, like that includes everything, like every shade, so that it will be easier for you to, I don't know, to create different looks. I don't know. But you really don't need this, but yeah, if you want to, then make sure you get a palette that includes a lot of shades, and then you'll be good to go. And what else? I think I'm done. And that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed filming this video. I hope you did enjoy watching it too. Please make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Mwah.